To run this program, load the necessary board manager and libraries as given in the instruction manual. Install the COM port USB driver. For more details, follow the driver installation manual. Initialize the required variables and I/O interface. Connect the I/O interface as shown in the connection diagram. Compile and run the program. Open the serial monitor for checking the result. Make sure that your computer and Cloud PLC device are on the same Wi-Fi network. After that, copy the IP address from the serial monitor and paste it into your web browser. In this dashboard, you can see the two switches connected to Cloud PLC Relay 1 and Relay 2. You can download this code by clicking the above GitHub link.